going on, my YouTubers and my YouTube betters, man? Hate, man. Say, man. Gotta stop at the yellow light. Because I knew there was a police real close by, man. Yes, sir. But anyway, man, hey, man, this is JP Chevy, man. JP Chevy, y'all have located on JP Chevy channel, man. And as y'all can see right here, yes, sir, it's about to go down, man. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give y'all one game and one game only, man. Good, bad, or ugly. You feel me? Y'all gonna get it today. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's good, though. Pretty sure it's gonna be good, though. Yeah, it's gonna be good, man. I'm gonna make it good, you feel me? So with that being said, man, y'all see the title, y'all see the thumbnail, man. Let's get right on into it, man. When I pull back up, cut the video back on. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all the best backup bowler in the world. No cap. Oh God. Squad. Gang gang. Yes, sir. Chevy. Subscribe. Alright, so guys, y'all see I'm here, man. About to get this thing started. Got y'all on another side. Let me know, comment below and let me know if y'all like this angle or not. Want to make sure it's on both of them there. Yes, sir. Alright, man, let's get it cracking lacking, man. Hopefully I can get a 300 on this first game. Feel me? Hey, by the way, man, it's no tap, so 9 count equals strike.
My life in the sunshine. My life in the sunshine.
Well, let's up to 300. Sleep till Brooklyn. Yes, sir. God, somebody, man. Like I told y'all, man, I messed up. That second frame messed me up, man. Y'all see it? But still a 280 though. Still a good game, baby. Hey man, like I said, I was just gonna give y'all one, man. What I'm gonna do is put up a picture of the rest of my scores behind this one right here. You know what I'm saying? But once again though, man, this JP Chevy. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment, man, and share. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Queen, man. Queen B, shout out to her for sharing me out, man. Trying to help me grow. Trying to get to that 1K, man. You know what I'm saying? Been doing this thing for a long time, and I ain't gonna stop though. Been times that I wanted to, but I ain't gonna do so, man. But with that being said, yo, I'm out. I'm out. That second frame messed me up. She called me her king, and I call her my queen. We put our heads together, we can amount to anything.